It begins here, in the heart of the tropical sun, where nature provides the rawest of materials. A single, precise strike. The harvest is brutal, yet necessary.
Tons of raw fiber are transported to the facility, where the transformation begins.
Speed and efficiency. Every second counts in this high-volume operation.
High-velocity air strips away moisture, preparing the fiber for the heat treatment.
Steam sterilization. This critical step softens the fibers and eliminates organic
Mechanical rollers apply tons of pressure, creating a uniform, durable sheet of organic material.
A fine mist of pure water, just enough to soften the fibers without compromising their strength.
The transformation enters its most intense phase. Raw fiber meets extreme pressure.
Laser precision. Automated cutting ensures zero waste and perfect dimensions for the final molding process.
Refining the edges. Automated grinding removes any remaining fibers, ensuring a smooth, safe finish.
Nature's engineering. A complex web of cellulose, now ready to be forged into its final form. 500 pounds per square inch. The heat and force fuse the fibers into a rigid, permanent structure.
From a soft leaf to a rigid vessel. The physical properties have been completely rewritten.
Zero tolerance for imperfection. Every rejected piece returns to the earth as compost. Final sterilization. Ultraviolet light eliminates 99.9% of bacteria, making these plates safer than traditional plastic.
Sealed for freshness. This biodegradable packaging ensures the product remains sterile until it reaches the consumer.
Ready for the world. Thousands of tons of sustainable products, leaving the factory to replace plastic across the globe.
From the forest to the factory, and now to the world. A journey of sustainability begins.
A tactile experience. You can feel the strength of the forest in every fiber.
To the community, cheers!
I saved you the last helping of the grilled corn.
Oh, thank you so much.
The hands that harvest are the hands that heal the earth. One leaf at a time.